Welcome guys, welcome to my another video and thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will be looking how to create your Google My Business account and how to link it with your Google Ads. So let's start. So first we will go to Google My Business. Let's sign in with a new email ID. Okay, I'm not sure why did it redirected me. Why did it redirect me to the ad? It's fine. And I'm not sure. Let me just try to you know get into the Google My Business again. Sign in. Okay, so we're already there. I type my name. Proceed with this. So it was showing me some references or recommendations also, right? So this is my business name. Next, business category could be anything. Let's say education. Or let's say if I want to use it as blog, will it come here? No. Come is it either educational or let's say service, CV service, self-service restaurant. No. Let's say marketing agency. Let's say next. Do you want to add a location? Let's say yes. Then next. What if I do no? Where do you serve your customer? Yes. Let's say Hyderabad. Well, let's say I am in Hyderabad. Next. My phone number. Current website. I don't need a website. Or get a free website based on your info. Let's see. So this is how you would be able to create a free website. My phone number. Next. Okay, so we are done with the submitting detail in creating the account. Let's see. We enter email address to verify. Okay. India street address. Do I need to enter street address? Verify later. Right. You have to put your physical address here. So if you want to list your My Google Business page on Google search on the right side like this. Like this, right? You have to verify your address, and how would you verify your address is Google will send a pin by courier or mailer on your physical address or physical location you can say, and you have to submit that pin and verify. Next, I'm just using one affiliate marketing option here. Add business description. Let's say skip it for now. So skip it. Continue. It's almost ready. Right, so it's created somehow. I mean, not fully. You can see it's 40% completed. We need add hours, add description, add logo, everything. You can see here, right? It will give you all the recommendations or suggestions. Then you can create your post. Feature special offers, set dates, make it clear when the promotion starts and ends, etc. etc. Info, you can put info, whatever it is. No location, deliveries and home services only. You can add hours, let's say. Sunday closed, Monday opens 24 hours, let's say. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Open 24 hours, open 24 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours. Apply. You can see the insights also. But the listing is unverified, so you cannot. Let's say if I click on verify insights, it will ask me the address again. And the moment I say, let's say street address is, believe my city is Hyderabad, pin code 2346, state Telangana. Right? Now you have to put your contact name here, and see it, the moment you click on mail, it will ask you, I mean it will send you one mail with the pin, and then you have to verify your address. You can verify later. Ask for description, skip again, let's say, skipping it again. Continue. Let's see how much tested. 60% we are done. Earlier it was 40%. You can see the insights, reviews, the same reviews like this, right? These reviews. Then messaging, if any customer messages you or any user messages you. Then you can add photos, you can add products here, just like listing, I believe. Let's see how does it work. Yes, you can add a product photo, you can add the product name, you can add a category here, right? A fixed price or price range, whatever it is. The price, then description, everything. Add a button, let's say order online. It will ask you for the URL wherever it's landing or taking the customer. Then services, whatever services do you provide. I just added affiliate marketing here. Now this is your website. That will be a kind of your profile, that the information you have put here. You can see this. Right, I haven't put anything here right now. Right, so you can do it. Few of the information, business hours, my number. Then users, you can add other users as well if you want to. Right, you can create ad, you can get custom Gmail with the particular name. It's a free trial, I believe, but after some time it will expire. Then you can add location, you can manage locations. Then here we are, linked accounts, right? You don't have any linked account here. Do you have any request? No. The settings mein nothing, right? So now we will go to our Google ad account. It will sign in automatically. taking longer. No, this is not the beneficial time. Let it load. That will click on tools and settings. Sorry. Go to linked accounts. So in my previous video, when I was linking the merchant account with Google Ad account, you might have seen that from merchant account you can just link the Google Ad account, but in my Google business page there was not any option like this. Now with my Google business page, you can see here, right? Let's go here. Let's say I try to create one ad. Let's see if it does. Okay, so from here, from this particular link, it has directly redirected me to the smart campaign, right? So I'll just click my this because your Google business account data is pulled by smart campaign. But let's say I don't want to. I want to link it rather. See, my Adwords account is already linked. I think it does take a time. The moment I click there, it already got linked. That's why I prefer to use one Gmail account for every Google Ad product. So all the products sync automatically, or by default you can say. Fine, so we are already linked. This account is linked already, right? So I think we are done here. Let me just check if I get any. No, okay. Fine, our Google Ad account is already linked with the Google business account. So we are cool. Or we can check here how to edit. So you can see here, right? It gives you the process or steps how to link an account, right? You can post your comments. If you have any doubt, I will try to address it. as usual. In next video we will talk about feed, how to edit the Google compliant feed, how to edit in Merchant Center. Okay, bye bye till then.